Hello everybody, I hope you all are holding up well. So guys, today we will be going over the GK Daily Briefs for 30th June 2021 brought to you by Opus. We will be covering 5 news articles today. The first news article for today deals with the government of Andhra Pradesh giving administrative approval to the school education department to take up the Support Andhra's Learning Transformation Project or the SALT project with a loan assistance of $250 million from the World Bank for supporting various initiatives in school education. The World Bank has also sanctioned certain other loans to India in 2021, and the following two are perhaps the most important among them. These are the $500 million loan that the World Bank sanctioned to India for boosting its MSME sector, as well as the $100 million loan that it sanctioned for the Chirag program, which stands for the Chhattisgarh Inclusive Rural and Accelerated Agricultural Growth Program. Moving on, we have the Finance Minister of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, announcing a relief package worth Rs 6,28,993 crore to support the Indian economy and buttress its growth after the COVID-19 pandemic has wreaked havoc. A total of 17 measures were announced in 3 broad categories, namely the economic relief from pandemic category being accorded 8 measures, the strengthening public health category being given 1 measure, and the impetus for growth and development category being awarded 8 measures. Moving on, we have the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet or the ACC approving the appointment of Praveen Sinha as the Special Director of the Central Board of Investigation. The post has been vacant for the last 3 years and was earlier occupied by Rakesh Asthana. The Special Director is the senior most position within the CBI after that of the Director. Moving on, we have the Government of India celebrating National Statistics Day on the 29th of June 2021, which also happens to be the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. The day is observed to create awareness about the role of statistics in socio-economic planning and policy formulation. The second 5-year plan was made under P.C. Mahalanobis' guidance. Before we move forth, I would like to request each and everyone listening to kindly go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing daily briefs brought to you by Opus. The final news article for today deals with the Indian archer Deepika Kumari creating a new world record when she claimed 3 back-to-back gold medals in a single day during the Archery World Cup Stage 3 held in Paris. India topped the medals tally at the event with 4 gold medals. The 4th gold medal was won by Abhishek Verma from the men's individual event in the compound section. Well, that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day, and this has been brought to you by none other than Opus.